Hey, what's up? It's Filip from eztutorials. Let me show you how to calculate someone's age using their date of birth in Microsoft Excel. You can check out the description to copy-paste formulas so you don't need to type them. For example, if the date of birth is January 1st, 1990, you will enter 1st 1990 in cell A2. Next, we need to calculate today's date so we can compare it to the date of birth. To do this, we'll use today function. In a new cell, let's say B2, type the formula. This will automatically display today's date in cell. Now we can calculate the age of the person by subtracting the date of birth from today's date. To do this, we'll use the DATEDIF function. In a new cell, let's say C2, type the formula. This will calculate the number of years between the date of birth and today's date. Finally, let's display the age of the person in a user-friendly format. We can do this by combining the result of the DATEDIF function with some text using the CONCATENATE function. In a new cell, let's say D2, type the formula. This will display the age of the person along with the text years old. That's it. Now you know how to calculate someone's age using their date of birth in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.